What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the FitMenCook kitchen. Okay, so quick trivia question. Can you guess the second largest food consumption day here in the US? If you guess Christmas, you're wrong. If you also guess Easter, you're also wrong. Yeah, it's not even a holiday at all. It's actually a sporting event, and I'm talking about the Super Bowl. If you're not familiar with that, it is basically the American version of football. It is a national championship game, and one thing that we Americans love to do is to get together with all your friends and family, watch the game, but of course have an amazing food spread. Now, I know if you're watching this right now, then you are part of the FitMenCook community, and I know that you have pledged at the top of the year that you're going to do just a little bit better. So if you plan to watch the bowl game and that was going to be your treat meal, then go ahead and enjoy it and get back on your plan the following day. But if you did not, then maybe you can think about eating something a little bit more calorie conscious that's going to support your overall wellness goals. So with that in mind, you know I got you covered. We're making low carb keto rolls and turning them into sliders. You can scale this up and down, so if you want these really large rolls, that you can make those, or you can make them really bite size for a party size, or maybe even for after school snacks. So if you are ready to roll up your sleeves, guys, and I'm telling you today, you are gonna work those forearms out. You're gonna work them out today. All right, y'all, let's get started. First, mix almond flour, baking powder, fresh rosemary, and chives. Mix it up well to fluff out any chunks. In a separate bowl, you're gonna add cream cheese and mozzarella. Microwave on high for about a minute, and when it's melted, mix it up until smooth. Yes, your forearms will be burning. Crack open an egg and mix it up again. Next, we're going to add in the flour, then mix and mash until it forms a dough. Since it's kind of sticky at the moment, we're going to wrap the dough in plastic wrap and place it in the freezer for 20 minutes. Take it out the freezer and place it on a lightly dusted surface so it doesn't stick. Cut the dough into fourths for large rolls or eighths for party size. Spray your hands with olive oil, then roll the dough into equal-sized balls. I like to let the dough sit for about 15 more minutes in the fridge so it doesn't lose shape when baking. Place them on a baking tray with parchment or Silpat, then bake for 20 minutes at 350. Boom! Beautiful and buttery, crispy yet creamy keto rolls. Now let's make a burger. Mix ground meat, I'm using bison, with garlic, thyme, and sea salt and pepper. Mash and mix it up, then form small patties about 3.5 ounces. Flatten it out, then place it in a non-stick skillet. Cook on each side until your desired readiness. Now let's bring it all together. Slice open that roll. Gonna add the patty, tomato, onion, arugula, and a little mustard. All the wonderful things you love about a burger in a delicious, buttery, low-carb roll. Ultimate comfort food makeover, and even ready for your daily meal prep. That is it for today's video. I hope that y'all enjoyed it, and I hope that y'all are running right now to the grocery store to make these amazing rolls turn into sliders. If you're not a fan of beef, then use some chicken. You can even use some salmon. Just use whatever, but make these rolls for sure. They will not lose. All right, before you log off this video, be sure that you subscribe to the channel and also hit that like button below. And if you're feeling just a little bit generous today, then I want you all to share below your favorite big bowl game food. All right, until next time, y'all, thank y'all for watching. Keep it healthy, but of course, never, ever boring. Oh, you know what? Instead of saying boom, I'm just gonna just bite into it. Oh, This is nice. Okay.